Other than worrying about when will this coronavirus pandemic end, the world is also speculating the mystery of Kim Jong-un, the North Korean leader. In his absence, a lot of rumors about his health have started doing the rounds on the internet. Some are saying that he is in a vegetative state, while others are saying that he is practicing social distancing. But there are no definite answers as to what is going on with Kim Jong-un. As bizarre as this sounds, we have some really unusual facts about this leader. And no one really knows when he was born. But in the year 2010, Kim Jong-un's birthday was declared a national holiday. He attended the best Swiss school using a fake name, Park Un. He underwent plastic surgery to allegedly resemble his grandfather, Kim Il-sung. While elections take place every 5 years in North Korea, only Kim Jong-un is allowed to participate in them, the only candidate who fights the elections. In North Korea, there are strict rules regarding haircuts. There are only 28 haircuts that are allowed for men, and Kim Jong-un's haircut, which is quite unusual, has a special name. It's called the Ambitious. He had once ordered male university students in North Korea to copy his haircut. The most famous and strangest claim was that his grandfather and father never defecated. And Kim Jong-un has his own personal toilet with him at all times. He has allegedly executed many of his family members. In the year 2013 of December, he reportedly ordered the execution of his uncle, Jang Song-thaek, who was accused of plotting against the state, and when his aunt protested, she too was silenced. He has also been accused of murdering his half-brother Kim Jong-nam in Malaysia. On his father's death, he asked everyone in North Korea to cry hysterically, and those who didn't know how to do it were taught to do so by hiring professionals. He formed the first all-female band. The supreme leader of North Korea handpicked singers to form the country's first all-female music group, Morang Bong Band. He has an official theme song called Footsteps. He is a 4-star general with no solid background of military experience. But how did a 4-star general with no experience grow up to be the most powerful person in North Korea? After his father died, Kim Jong-un was quickly declared supreme leader of North Korea. Soon after, Kim started solidifying his grip on power by embracing the coercive approach used by his father and his grandfather. He used force and the threat of force combined with suppression of protesters, expansion in military defense capabilities, and challenging the United States of America and its South Korean ally. He soon became a classic dictator figure who seemed vicious, prone to self-glorification. But can we call him stupid or irrational? Irrational? Maybe. But stupid? Not really. It is interesting to know that he is the third child of his father, yet he was handed the command of North Korea. As a means of reasserting control, Kim Jong-un became extremely belligerent, shutting down all links with South Korea and threatening thermonuclear war. North Korea has continued to test ballistic missiles and nuclear devices under Kim's rule, despite the threats of sanctions. In the year 2012, the country launched its first satellite into space. And since Kim Jong-un took over, the country has continued to push ahead with its construction of ballistic and nuclear weapons. From 2012 to 2016, North Korea conducted 5 nuclear tests, and the last one was the most powerful nuclear test. It is being said that the blast from the 5th warhead was more powerful than the bomb dropped on Hiroshima. In response to the detonations, world leaders have strongly come out against North Korea. Even China, North Korea's main ally, has said it strongly opposes the tests. Yet, Beijing did nothing to stop North Korea. The tests signal a commitment on the part of Kim to press forward with the armament of his nation. If undeterred, experts estimate North Korea could develop nuclear warheads that could reach the US by 2020. Now, from discovering a wonder drug that could cure AIDS and cancer to claiming the existence of a unicorn, he has done it all. It is said that he was also a child prodigy. In 2015, according to a new curriculum, Kim reportedly could drive by the time he was 3. He was winning yachting races at 9 and was also an expert artist and musical composer at a young age. Having achieved such feats, it can only be said that Kim Jong Un will defeat the coronavirus pandemic as well, and we'd get to hear several such stories of his valor again. Well, that's if we believe anything that comes from Pyongyang at all.